It's Friday, August 24th, 2012. I'm David Pierce, Disney's third choice to play the next Rocketeer. This is 90 Seconds on The Verge. Jurors in the landmark Apple versus Samsung case have reached their verdict, but before they finished deliberating, there was a split decision ruling in South Korea that found both companies guilty of infringing one another's patents. As a result, Apple will be barred from selling the iPhone 4, the 3GS, and all older iPads. Meanwhile, Samsung was found guilty of infringing Apple's bounce-back scrolling patent and must stop selling the Galaxy Nexus, S2, and Tab 10.1. Neither the iPad nor the iPhone 4S were affected by today's ruling. Same goes for Samsung's Galaxy S3 lineup. Stay tuned tonight for much more on this incredibly complicated case. And Amazon has added hundreds of new videos to its Prime Instant Video collection, courtesy of NBC Universal. The company's streaming video service now includes Parks and Rec, Friday Night Lights, and Battlestar Galactica. Amazon Prime Instant Video now offers over 22,000 movies and TV shows for streaming. Still a ways to go to beat Netflix, but somehow we don't think Jeff Bezos is worried. Finally, Microsoft has taken to the streets to advertise its upcoming Surface tablet. A number of building walls in New York City are now adorned with tablet and keyboard outlines similar to those used at a Microsoft event back in June. The company's used street art before, for MSN in 2002 and Windows Phone 7 in 2010. The MSN stunt resulted in a $50 fine from city officials. Even if that happens again, Microsoft still could have hired Banksy and this would have been its cheapest ad campaign ever. And that's it for today's top stories. Coming up tomorrow, Halley's Comet is returning. But what or who is it bringing with it?